Hey everyone! So I dug my Gladiolus bulbs a few weeks ago. I wanted to plant something where they were, so they came out a little bit early. I've seen a lot of people wait until the first frost to pull them out so they can get as big of bulbs as possible. So, and in Wisconsin 4B here, we need to dig these for them to come back next year. So I'm just going to show you how I process them to get them ready for my basement. That's where I store them in, which is about 60 degrees, and they came back great last year. So this one actually made two, so I'm gonna split this off so you can see it's just a little guy here. I'm just gonna put these in a paper bag for storage. So this actually is the old bulb here, so I'm just gonna pull this off. And you're going to want to wait a few weeks because this is a lot easier once they have dried out a little bit. So then these are all ready to go. So I'm just going to process the rest of these here. I have a little bucket full. And then I am also going to put a little bit of this diatomaceous earth in with them because they had thrips really bad this year. So I saw someone else treated with those. So I'm going to try that, and hopefully I won't have that problem next year. So that's all there is to my method to storing Gladiolus bulbs. Thanks. One thing that I forgot to mention, because that Friday didn't have any, is that they will make these little babies, and you can just pick them off. You can either save them to plant them next year or toss them. So I've never saved them. I've heard that it takes a few years for them to produce flowers. So good way to multiply your stock if you have the time.